Our trip to Jamaica was so wonderful. As we boarded the plane, I couldn't wait to see what the gorgeous island was like. When we landed, we were greeted by warm, tropical air, friendly faces, and loads of sunshine. Having never been before, I was filled with anticipation on what Negril would be like. The cab ride over was an adventure. With the windows down, the ocean breeze filled my senses, as did the amazing aromas of Jamaican food. The unmistakable sound of reggae music made me feel happy and far removed from the hustle and bustle of life back home. We stayed at the Cliff Hotel, located on the West End in Negril. I couldn't get over the warm Jamaican hospitality. We felt so at home and loved the luxury and a carefree lifestyle that gave us the ultimate escape from the outside world. The Caribbean Sea and spectacular sunsets were our backdrop for the week, and it's unlike any place on earth. We also enjoyed a wide range of spa services in the comfort of our room and again on the cliffs, while listening to the calming sounds of the Caribbean Sea. We dined at the Zest, one of the best restaurants in Negril. One day, while on the beach, a small, friendly dog wandered over to us. We immediately made friends with him, and I'll never forget the little island dog named Frankie. We saw him daily on the beach. We rented a motorcycle for the week and rode all over the island. I'll always remember the feeling of the ocean air as evening approached. The coolness after being in the hot sun was incredibly refreshing. One night, we had dinner at Rick's Cafe, which was the first public bar and restaurant of its type on the West End cliffs. The view of the sunset from its naturally formed cliffs was one of the most beautiful I've ever seen, and the food was delicious. After enjoying a refreshing tropical drink, we made our way to the Negril Craft Market, which is home to over 100 stalls, offering various crafts, jewelry, textiles, and more. I loved the energy of the place, the crafts, colors, and most importantly, the welcoming smiles of the locals. On one of our beach trips, one of the locals asked if we wanted some fresh aloe rubbed on our backs to prevent sunburn. We jumped at the opportunity, and the aloe, squeezed right from the plant, soothed our skin like nothing else we'd experienced. The week went by too quickly, and although I was looking forward to going home, I didn't want to leave the beauty, relaxation, and island vibe that only a place like Negril, Jamaica, can offer. When deciding where to have our wedding, Jamaica immediately came to mind. What a spot for us to say our vows. It's paradise. I can picture our beach wedding against the backdrop of the Caribbean. I know we'd have an amazing time, and that's when we'll return to Jamaica. I can't think of a better place to say our vows.